everyone, and welcome back! Today, we're diving into the world of Perplexity AI, a powerful tool that can supercharge your research and information gathering. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to learn, Perplexity AI can be a game changer. Perplexity AI is an AI-powered research assistant. Think of it as a supercharged search engine that can not only find information, but also analyze it and present it in a clear and concise way. It goes beyond keywords, understanding the context of your questions, and providing insightful answers. Now, head over to Perplexity.ai and create a free account. The interface is super user-friendly. You have a search bar where the magic happens. Just like a search engine, you can type in your question or topic. Perplexity AI will use its smarts to find relevant information from the web and present it in a clear summary format, along with links to the sources. Perplexity AI shines when you upload PDFs or other text files. It analyzes the content of the file and uses it to understand your research better. Let's say you're struggling with a research paper. Upload it to Perplexity AI and ask a question like, "Summarize the key points of this paper." Perplexity AI will not only summarize the paper, but also highlight relevant sections and provide additional information from the web, giving you a well-rounded understanding. Perplexity AI offers features like Search Focus to narrow down your search to specific websites like YouTube or academic journals. Perplexity AI lets you create collections to group related searches and uploaded files, keeping your research organized. So there you have it. Perplexity AI is a fantastic tool to boost your research efficiency. Give it a try and see how it can transform the way you gather information. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.